7 common mistakes home care agencies make and how to fix them today. I'm Justin Curry and welcome back to Masters of Home Care. If you're running a home care agency, you can't afford to make these mistakes. So today, we're covering 7 common mistakes and how to fix them. Let's dive right in. Mistake number 1 is going to be underpricing your services. Charging too little, it can undermine your agency's value and the sustainability of your business. Data shows that agencies who price appropriately see a 20% increase in profit margins. Underpricing leads to high caregiver turnover and poor service quality. Know your worth and price accordingly. Mistake number 2, neglecting your online presence and your social channels. Now, in today's digital age, having a robust online presence is absolutely crucial. Many agencies overlook this and it costs them clients. A well-designed, SEO-optimized website can make a huge difference. So regularly update your site with valuable content and you want to stay relevant. And the third mistake is going to be inconsistent branding. Your brand is your promise to your clients. It should be consistent across all channels. Now, inconsistent branding, it confuses clients and it actually weakens trust. So ensure all your materials from your website to your brochures, they all align with your agency's image and your message. It should be consistent across the board. And mistake number 4 is poor caregiver retention. So high turnover, it impacts client care and ultimately your bottom line. And reasons for this? Low pay, lack of appreciation, and poor working conditions. Invest in your caregivers with competitive pay, recognition programs, and supportive work environments. And the 5th mistake, ineffective marketing strategies. So relying solely on word of mouth isn't enough. Modern marketing techniques like targeted online ads and content marketing are absolutely essential. Did you know that agencies using these methods report a 35% increase in client acquisition? On to mistake number 6, lack of systems and automation. Manual processes, they'll actually limit your growth. Automation, it saves you time and reduces errors. And surprisingly, many agency owners, they resist automation because they think it's too complex. But it is actually the key to scaling effectively and efficiently. And now the final mistake is ignoring client feedback. You have to listen to your clients. So client feedback, it's gold. It helps you improve services and increase satisfaction. Regularly collect and act on the feedback you're getting. This small step, it can significantly enhance your agency's reputation. So that's it, 7 common mistakes and how to fix them. Implement these changes today and see the difference in your agency's growth and the client satisfaction. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.